Hello everyone, it is me, Katie, and today we're going to do some weekly maintenance on the tower that we have downstairs. And guess what? You're coming with me. There she is. First things first, I'm going to spray a little bit of eco cleaner. I'm going to let that sit while I go through and pinch off some of these leaves. You see how underneath here you'll get some dead leaves? There's no real issue with that. It's just the nature of the plant. Now that I've picked some things, I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna wipe right along these seams. See how there's buildup and there's a little bit of algae? It's totally normal. Anytime you have light and moisture, you're gonna get algae. Now that we got our lady wiped down and looking fresh, we need to check to see if there's any roots. Oh gosh. So one thing I want to point out is you'll see some buildup on the bottom. That's normal, that happens. But these roots, you want to just reach in there, give them a gentle tug. Let me back up and see if I can, if I reach in, give them a gentle tug. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ah! Now I must fill up the tower with water. Don't forget to add your nutrients after you've added your water. And as always, remember, grow up.